Hi, it's Fikri here of MrMaths Academy. This is a series of 5-part video explaining how to solve problems related to expanding brackets. In the description section below, there is a link containing a document with 50 questions related to expanding brackets. So if you haven't got that document, please head on to that section, find the link and download it. Only proceed playing this video once you have attempted answering those questions. So what are you waiting for? I hope you enjoy it and make the most out of this video. Happy learning. Question 21. 3x times 7 minus 5x. We have a minus 5 expression here. So I'm going to enclose that in its own bracket. I'm going to turn into plus here first. So minus 5x. Or I can put minus 5 here only, and then only I put x outside of it. Like this. It doesn't really matter. So now it's 3x times 7 plus 3x times minus 5. Well, I just put x inside the bracket. It doesn't really matter. So 7 times 3, that is 21x plus, and 3x times minus 5x. So positive and negative expression multiplied together becomes negative. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15x squared. Okay, we got 2x, yeah? X times x become x squared. So 21x plus meeting a minus, so it becomes minus 15x squared. That's the answer. Question 22. Minus 4x, 10 minus 3x. Enclosing minus 4x inside a bracket, then 10 plus minus 3x and close bracket. So we are gonna multiply minus 4x by 10 plus minus 4x by minus 3x. So 2 minus term multiplied together becomes minus, so 4 times 10 is 40x. Plus, and 2 negative terms multiplied together becomes positive. 4 times 3 is 12, and x times x is x squared. That's the final answer. Question 23. 7x minus 7 minus 4x. We have 2 negative terms inside the bracket, so I'm gonna enclose them inside their own bracket now. Minus 7 plus minus 4x. So that is minus x times minus 7 plus 7x times minus 4x. 7 times minus 7 becomes minus 49x plus, and we still have negative and positive terms. So it becomes minus here. 7 times 4 is 28. 28, x times x is x squared. So now we have minus and plus meeting together becomes minus. So minus 49x minus 28x squared. Question 24. 5x minus 15 minus 6x. So that is 5x, 15 plus minus 6x. So that is 5x, yeah, times 15 plus 5x times minus 6x. So 5 times 15, that is 75. Yeah, it is 75, yeah, yes. 75x plus, we have 2 terms, one is positive, another one is negative. So that becomes negative 30x squared. Okay, so that is 75x and plus meeting a minus, so it becomes minus 30x squared. Question 25, minus 5x minus y plus 8. You know, this type of expression inside the bracket, we can rearrange it to become like this. I'm gonna put it here maybe, minus 5x. I can switch it over, become 8 minus y. Okay, it really means the same. Alright, let's go back here. So this is minus 5x inside its own bracket. Then minus y inside its own bracket too, and plus 8. We have minus 5x times minus y plus minus 5x times 8. Two minus terms multiplied together becomes positive. But this time we have x and y, so we do not end up with x squared or y squared. It just becomes 5xy. Alright, because they are unlike terms. They cannot be multiplied directly. Yeah? So we have to separate them out. And remember, because this is minus 5 and minus y multiplied together, two minus numbers, two minus expression, times together becomes plus. And then plus minus 5 and 8, so that is minus 40x. So the answer is 5xy minus 40x. Yeah, because plus and minus meeting together becomes a minus. Next question. We are to expand 5x and 8y minus 3. Okay, so 5x, 8y plus minus 3. This is my style. Okay, you may not put the bracket, okay, it is optional, but I do that so to avoid confusion. This is 5x times 8y plus 5x times negative 3. So 8 times 5 is 40 xy, yeah, and plus minus 15x. So the answer is 40 xy minus 15x. Question 27. 5x, 10x plus 7y. Okay, there are no minus expressions there, so I can just multiply directly. So we have 5x times 10x plus 5x times 7y. So 5 times 10 is 50 because they are like terms, so we can multiply them. But by x times x is x squared. Plus, okay, 5 times 7 is 35. And then x times y cannot be multiplied together, so we just put them like this. There you go. Question 28. Minus 2x, 10x plus 15y. And I'm going to enclose minus 2x inside the bracket. Just an extra step. Alright, I do this so that I minimize mistakes, yeah? So minus 2x times 10x plus minus 2x times 15y. And two terms, one is negative, another one is positive, so it becomes negative 20x squared. Plus and minus, so it becomes minus. 2 times 15 is 30. xy. So that is minus 20x squared minus 30xy. Next question. We have to expand minus 3x, 5y minus 4x. I'm going to enclose all the negative terms. Plus, yeah, plus minus 4x. Okay, now we can expand minus 3x times 5y plus minus 3x times minus 4x. So this becomes, the first multiplication becomes minus 15, yeah, xy. Let me just redo that, yeah, because 1 and 5 really close together. Minus 15 xy plus, okay, two minus terms multiplied together becomes positive, so 3 times 4 is 12 x squared. So that's the answer. Next question. Question 30. 4x to be multiplied by 5y minus 16x. Okay, I'm going to include 16xy inside the separate bracket. Minus 16x, yeah? So now 4x times 5y plus 4x again times minus 16x. 4 times 5 is 20, and then x and y plus, we're going to get a minus here, so minus 16 times 4, what is that? 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64. X squared, yeah, because we have two x's, 2x multiplied together. And we have plus and minus meeting together, so that is 20xy minus 64x squared.